Did you know AI is creating millionaires overnight? But wait, I'm not talking about the obvious stuff like ChatGPT or Midjourney. I'm talking about 5 untapped AI money-making methods that most people have no idea about. And the best part? You don't need to be a coder, a tech expert, or have a huge investment. Stick around till the end, because the last method is so unique, it can literally make you passive income while you sleep. Let's jump right in. Companies are now paying hundreds of dollars for AI-generated presentations. With AI tools like Gamma and Beautiful AI, you can create stunning, high-quality presentations in minutes, no design skills needed. Here's how it works. Use AI to design professional business presentations. Sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or even your own website. Businesses, educators, and startups need these all the time. Want to stand out? Add AI voiceovers to make your presentations even more engaging. Wait, isn't blogging dead? No, AI has changed the game. Here's the hack. Use AI tools like Koala Writer or Jasper to write SEO-optimized micro-niche blog posts fast. Instead of generic topics, go ultra-niche like best AI tools for teachers or AI-powered fitness trackers for 2025. Monetize with affiliate marketing from Amazon SaaS software or AI tool referrals. People are making thousands per month with this, and 99% of people are still ignoring it. What if I told you AI can help you publish books without actually writing them? Here's how. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate creative children's book stories. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create beautiful illustrations. Publish on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. People are making anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month selling AI-generated books. The demand is exploding, and hardly anyone is doing this the right way. Imagine running a YouTube channel that makes money on autopilot without showing your face. Here's how it works. Use AI tools like 11 Labs for natural voiceovers. Generate scripts with ChatGPT. Use Pictory.ai or Runway ML for AI-edited videos. Monetize with YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key? Pick an evergreen niche like tech, finance, or self-improvement, so your videos keep getting views for years. Want a truly passive income stream? AI can help you create and sell digital products while you sleep. Here are some of the best digital products you can sell with AI. AI-generated resume templates, huge demand. ChatGPT, powered ebooks or guides. AI-driven Notion templates for productivity. AI voice packs for podcasters and streamers. List them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website, and watch the passive income roll in. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money with AI in 2025 that most people haven't even thought about. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because in the next video I'll be revealing more hidden AI income streams you don't want to miss. AI is the future, and the best time to start is now.